So hello guys, today I have found very good vulnerability. So it is regarding registration. It's a registration. The process of registration is vulnerable. So this is also called as a social login or social registration vulnerability. Whatever I'm saying is not the perfect name, but it's something like this only. So first I'll try to explain you what is this vulnerability. So as an attacker, I will not be using this register with Facebook. Rather than I will use this register with email. Now whose email I'm going to use is whoever's whoever is a victim, or say I want to hack someone else's account. Now I will be hacking this guy. Say this is a victim. Omkar is a victim and I want to hack his account on this future learn. So I will hack his account on future learn. So how to do that? So as this vulnerability is, so I will not use this register with Facebook. Rather than that, I will use this remaining form. So his email ID is this. Now from where do I get this email ID? It's a different process, but somehow I got this email ID. Someone else's email ID is with me now. Or say for example, he is my friend and I want to hack his account and I have his email ID. So I will write his name. His name is Omkar. His surname is this. His age is 18 or above. This is the important part. We will fill this one. Now we will write his password. Whatever, since I have registered it already with the same process, I will use the same password. Nothing else is important. And like this, I'll register the account. So it's saying you already registered with that email ID. Okay, that is fine. You will also register with the same email ID and you will be presented with something like this. But there will be a dialog box over here which will say that you need to verify your email ID. Do not do that since you do not have access to this email ID, because as this email ID which we are using on this website to register is not yours. It is someone else's account you want to hack. Now you know this email ID and password. So it's saved in this browser, right? Now you sign out and you sit back. Now an original person whose account is this. Now he will try to register. How? An easy process, right? Everyone uses, no one is going to fill this form. Everyone uses this register with Facebook. So he will use from his system, he will do it. You don't have to do anything. He will do all the process, allow and all, and he will simply sign in. So now he is there. Okay, this is his account. Everything whatever he can register to this course. He'll pay, he'll not pay, I don't know. Whatever, since this is free, he will join it for free. So as this has been added to his account, this course, one course has been added to his account. Okay, so as just be with me. So this is the account which the original person has logged in from his Facebook account, registered from his Facebook account. Okay, and he has registered for one course. Now he will sign out or whatever he does. In the time when you want to log in, you just go and sign in, and the same username and password or email ID and password which you used. Remember, this is all you have used to create a account. This you haven't this was not verified. This email ID was not verified from your side, but still they allowed you to log in or register. So I am signing in. Now I am signing in with the email ID, and what I see that the same course is available to me also. That means I am taking over his account. Now whatever things he does, I will be able to see, since he will be always logging in. So everyone, if now, since he has registered and he wants to log in, so everyone, anyone who, it's a very simple process, right? No one uses this thing. If you see this button, you simply log in with Facebook. So this is very easy process, but it's also vulnerable. So this is how you can find vulnerability regarding login. And now we have, anytime whenever we want to log in, we will simply use this username, email ID and password to log in. But whenever a victim whose account we have hacked, so he will use this sign in with Facebook, and he will never even know what is going on, and we will always have access to his account unless and until they are fixing it.